I need to stop, but hey, I'm only human. I've been dreaming, yeah, I've been dreaming. I've been dreaming, yeah, I've been dreaming. Alright, okay, it's dark everywhere. I lost my sight. They say I'm a lefty cause I never do right, but it's hard to do when I'm always living in the night. Only thing to guide me is the moonlight, and I hope that it shines, cause sometimes it doesn't. Try to go without it, but I get so reluctant. Sick to my stomach, start up chucking. Used to feel so good, wonder where all my luck went. Mom telling me ain't no such thing as luck. I ain't trying to hear that right now. I don't really give a nothing. Just need some time to myself, leave me alone. Don't feel like talking to nobody else, but I've been dreaming. Please stop, you don't know what I'm going through, and I know you say you do, but I don't believe in you. Only thing I believe in is God, so stop asking why, ask why not. See, I've been dreaming that things will go well, living good up in a fancy hotel. Just gotta keep grinding, no real. If it don't turn out the way I wanted it to, then oh well. That's life, yeah, that's right. Guess you can't enjoy it unless you get your cash right. Whatever lost in my mind, that's what I dream in. Man, I've been dreaming.